So this is an ellipse example. So I will rewrite first 25 x squared plus 4y squared plus 100x minus 40y, that is equivalent to 0. Then for this case, you have to group all variables with x. So we have 25 x squared plus 100x plus 4y squared minus 40y, that is equivalent to 0. Now this time, this is x squared, this is x. So you have to add another value here so that you can have a perfect square. So we have 25 x squared plus 100x plus a certain value here plus the other one, you have here 4y squared minus 40y plus a certain value here is equivalent to a certain value here. You have two values, this one and then this one. So you have to add two values on the other side. Then, of course, we want to remove 25 in our x squared. So we have to factor 25 for this equation. So we have here 25 and then x squared. So we factor 25. And then since this is 100 and then this is 25, 100 divided by 25, that is 4. So this is now 4x. So that when we multiply 25 times 4, that is equivalent to 100. Okay. Now what will be the value here? So to make this one as perfect square, so we have x squared plus 4x plus a value to make it a perfect square. So this is 4. 4 divided by 2, that is equivalent to 2, and then square it. So 2 times 2, that is 4. So we have to add here 4 to make this one as perfect square. This one, it will become as x plus 2 square. Notice x plus 2, if you expand this one, x times x, x squared. 2 times x times 2, 4x, and then 2 times 2 equals 4. So that is now our perfect square. Take note, we add here by 4. So 4 times 25, 100. Okay, 25 times 4 equals 100. Therefore, we have to add 100, supposed to be 100 on this side. Okay, next, plus, we have here 4y squared. Therefore, our multiplier is 4. So plus 4 times y squared, and then this is 40. Negative 40 divided by 4 equals negative 10. So we have here 10y. And then to make this one as a perfect square, we have to add another value to make this one as perfect square. Then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Squared 5, that is 25. 5 times 5, 25. Okay, so that this one is x minus, I know it's not x but it's y. Y minus 5. To make this one as perfect square. Okay, so we have this one. Now if you have noticed, we add 25 here. So 25 times 4, that is 25 times 4, that is 100. So make it as 100. Again, we will add here 100 because we add 100 on this side. So that we have here plus 4 and then 25, that is equivalent to 100 plus 100, that is 200. Okay. So that if you have noticed here, 4, we have to remove 4 and 25. So 4 times 25, that is 100. Oh, may error ulit tayo. 100 uli. May error. We have an error for this part. Reaction muna. May error tayo.
Sir, parang wala.
Ha?
Wala.
Okay. Sige. Tingnan naman natin. For 25, meron tayong multiplier dapat na we must have our multiplier here as, I will change the color. 1 over kapag 200, 8, 225. Kasi kailangan natin ng 1, okay? So, 200 na lang. Para matanggal itong, not matanggal, but magiging 1. Okay, so multiplier. So that the result is, we have 25 over 200, that is 8. So, x plus 2 squared divided by 8. Okay, 25 over 200, that is 8. 1 over 8. And then, plus 200 over 4, that is 8. Ay, tama ba? 5. 50. So, y minus 5 square over 50. That is equivalent to 1. Yan po. So, that is now the case of our ellipse. So, this is 8. What will be our center, or where is the center located of our ellipse? I-rewrite lang muna natin siya sa standard equation. We have x plus 2 square over square root of 8 square plus y minus 5 square over square root of 50, which is equivalent to 1. So, dapat laging 1 yan. Okay, so, if we plot this one, our center is located at negative 2, 5. The center is located at negative 2 and then 5. That is the center of the ellipse. X equals negative 2, y equals 5. So, any question muna? Wala. So, negative 2 and then 5. Ay, mas ano to? Negative 2, 1, 2, and then ito na lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito po yung center ng ellipse. Okay. And then, this is B. So, ang y, ang mas mataas kay y, this is square root of 50. We have here, calculator lang muna. 50 is square root 7.07. So, this one is 7.07. And then this one, this is squared. And then this square root of 8 is equivalent to 8 square root 2.83. 2.8 na lang. 2.83. Ayan. So, B po ang mas mataas, no? 7.07. So, mag-count po tayo pataas ng 7.07. So, 1. Nandito po yung natin, no? So, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pero 0.07, so lampas siya ng konti. Yan. Okay, estimate na lang yan. And then, yung lower part, that is 7.07. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.07. So, dito po. Lampas konti. O, yan. And then, yung left and right niya po is 2.83. 2.83. So, lampas siya ng konti. Andito. Ito naman is 2.83. So, lampas din siya konti. Dito po siya. So that our ellipse will be this one. Okay, so we have this one. Bahala na kayo sa ellipse sa drawing. Yan. Okay. Next. How about our C? No, it's not C but foci. Our foci is B is greater, no? So, C is equivalent to, ibalik ko lang siya. Foci naman. Meron na tayong vertex, meron tayong center, foci naman. Our foci is C square. Dito na lang. C equals the square root of B square minus A square, which is equivalent to B square, which is equivalent to 8. This one is 8 plus 50 square root. Okay? Ito po yan. Yan. Yung 8 na yan. Okay?
Sir, una
Yes.
po yung 50 and minus po.
Ay, oo. Bakit 8 plus 50 to? Sorry. Thank you. 50 minus 8, which is equivalent to 42. Square root of 42. Calculator is 42 square root 6.48. Okay, so 6.48. So, ito po yung 7 point something. So, 6.48 nandito po siya. Konting move lang. Ganon din dito, 6.48. So, ito po yung ating foci. So, palitan natin ng color sa foci. Green. F1. Kahit ano yung F1 nyo ha, basta F1 po yan. Ito po yon ang F1. Tapos ang F2, andito po yung F2. Kahit saan dyan yung, kung magbaliktad kayo F1, F2, okay lang. So, ang ating F1, nakalocate siya sa negative 2. Medyo ano na yan. Wait. F1, dito ko na ilagay ang F1. Negative 2. Excuse me. Naano ako sa laway ko. Excuse. Negative 2, and then the value of y is, take note, itong center natin, ano ba itong center na to is 5. 5 plus, this one is 5. Yan, ito po ay 5. So 5 plus yung C equals, hindi ko nasulat yung C. My God, 42. 42 square root 6.48. This is equivalent to 6.48. So, ito yung 6.48. Ibig sabihin, this one is 6 plus 5. That is 11. 11.48. Okay? 6 plus 5 equals 11.48. Pababa naman, pababa, ilan na yung sa pababa niyan? Mag-add minus lang tayo nito eh. So, ang vertex natin dito, this is kasi may mga decimal. Nalito ako sa decimal. 6.48. 6.48. Ito yung 6.48. And then, minus yung vertex pababa. Ilan yung pababa? 7.07. 2.07 minus ang gagawin natin is, di ba dito is distance dito hanggang dito sa pinaka vertex, sa baba na vertex is 7.07. 7.07. Samantala dito sa hanggang dito sa focus 2, F2, that is equivalent to 6.48. So i-minus natin 'yan. Yun lang ang nito, yung decimal. I-minus natin siya para makuha natin yung isang focus. So F2 7.07 minus 6.48, that is equivalent to, so calculator, minus lang, 7.07 minus 6.48 equals 0.59. So 0.59. Mali ang sa drawing ko. Kasi nasa 1 point something siya. Tama ba to? 7.07. So 5 meron 2 hanggang 2. Minus 6.48. Yung 6 mali ako sa 0.59. Yan yung distance nito from vertex to focus. Ang kailangan natin ngayon is dito sa 7.5 siya, minus natin to. Ma-solve naman yan. I do not know kung masundan nyo to, ha. 7, bawasan natin ng tagpa 5 itong dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, 7.07 minus 5, that is equivalent to 2.05. The other one is 6.48 minus 5, that is 1.48. So, ito ang isa-subtract natin ngayon. No. 2.05 minus, ito na pala, 1.48, sorry. Ito pala ang mas madali. Para sa ating foci. Okay, hindi na to kailangan. No need na po to. Okay. Bakit kaya ganito ang ginawa ko? 6.48, mula po yan dito sa center. Okay, nawala yung, wait para tingnan ko. Mula from center to focus. Okay? That is focus 6.48. Bawasan natin ng 5, so ang matira ito ngayon, which is 1.48. Yan yung distance nito. 1.48. Ito ngayon. Okay, so that our F2, tanggalin ko tong itong drawing na to. Hindi na kailangan natin to. Except itong 6.48 minus 5, yan yung matira dito. Okay. So, 1.48. Therefore, our F2 is equivalent to negative 2 and then 1.48. Ulitin ko lang. 1.48. Any question muna? Have you followed that one? Kung bakit nagiging ganyan? Take note. Ito po yon. 6.48 minus 5. So, ang matira dapat is yung distance dito. Yan. Okay? Which is, ito po yung F2, 1.48. 6 minus 5 equals 1.48. Okay. So, meron na tayong F1, F2, center, we have already this one as our center, F1, F2, for the foci. Ano pa bang kailangan nito? Area ulit. So, area is pi AB. Area equals pi AB, which is equivalent to 3.1416 or 3.14, okay lang. And then our A is square root of 8. Square root of 8 ha, hindi yung 8. And then B is square root of 50. Yan. Okay? Which is equivalent to. So, we have about, kayo na lang maglagay dito kung anong value. Square root of 8 times, yes po.
Sir, nung nilagay ko po yung graph niyo po sa GeoGebra, parang hindi po pantay yung foci po niyo.
Hindi pantay yung foci.
Opo.
Check natin sa GeoGebra. Ano yung ano natin? 25x squared plus 4y squared. This one.
Sir?
Yes po.
Dapat po negative yung 1.05 something. Ito po, 1.48. Yung pag
Po.
pinag-minus.
Yep, dapat minus, negative yan, sorry. Minus po
Para
yan.
po
Negative po yan kasi going downward, tama. Going downward. Okay, balik tayo sa 25x squared sa GeoGebra. Yun lang, hindi ko makikita dito yung GeoGebra. We'll type GeoGebra, graphing calculator. And then, we have this one. Dito sa GeoGebra, hindi mo makikita yung focus. Hindi mo makikita yung focus sa GeoGebra. Okay? Pa-state nga uli yung ano yung graph para hindi ako baka pwede. Ano yun?
25x squared
25x squared. Next.
plus 4y squared
Plus 4y squared.
plus 100x
Plus 100x.
minus 40y po.
Minus 40y. Equals 0.
Opo.
Okay, 0. O yan po ang ating ellipse. So, hindi po natin makikita dito yung foci. So, yan naman po ang ellipse natin. So pinaka-vertex na dito. Yung vertex. Then, dito po. So, almost, 12 plus. 12 plus, and then this one is nasa 2 plus. Okay? So, sa drawing natin, nasa 12, ito po ay 12 plus, ito yung 12. Ay, 11. 11.40. Hindi, focus yan. So, ito yung 12 and then 2 plus, ito po. Yan yung ellipse natin. Pero take note dito sa GeoGebra, hindi makikita yung foci. So, kailangan i-compute nyo yung foci. Okay? So, yan po ang magiging solution. Any question, clarification? Do you have any question or clarification? So, i-stop ko na to recording. Wala.
Sir, may ka-clarify lang po ako dun sa